Hi guys, I'm back. I'd just like to quickly get into something that I got by chance for my trip of a lifetime. I'll be going overseas pretty in less than a week's time for a design studio. And I just got this product here. Mainly just because it's got a small pack and I've tried using it once. It's this honey moisturizing conditioner from the Body Shop. Um, and it's meant to be repairing and softening your hair with honey. It smells divine, I have to say. And I've just used it once, and it really makes your hair feel so soft, and the fragrance stays on for quite a long time. I washed my hair and put conditioner on during at night, and then I woke up the next day still smelling it, and then went out, came back the whole day, and could still smell it on my hair. I think, wow. If you're not a fan of you're not a big fan of um, strong smell, this is probably not what you want to be going for. But then again, it's really good for my hair, and I've got really fine hair. And I think it works really well, and it's only what um, $6 for this small 60 ml pack. You can bring it to your gym, or it's good for traveling. So I think it should last for more than 2 weeks, I hope, because I'll be away for more than 2 weeks, and I hope that it will last me that long. Seeing as I put conditioner on my hair every single day, so I hope it works. It lasts. And then I promised previously that I talked about the nail polish that I bought the other day, the Chi nail polish. It's kind of like a lilac cream color. It's called Label Queen, and I told you previously it was $12.95, and this is how it looks like on. It's got a sort of greyish tone to it, but yeah, it looks really nice, and it's really easy to apply, though my only complaint is that the brush is slightly big and clumsy. But if you're doing your toenails, you will only need one deep dip, one deep, one dip, and off you go. Like, I've got really small toenails, so um, yeah, one dip goes a long way. And yeah, it's a really good color, especially when spring's here. It's not too over the top, I think, but it's still like a really nice subtle color, and it goes very well with my skin, I think. So very nice. But I'll, like, later on I'll do a review on how it stays on. But for now, I think it dries pretty quickly, and this is how it looks 2 coats after. So it's quite nice, creamy, shiny effect. I really love it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Have a really nice weekend.